welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 11th of June, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, that's some good sweet tea this evening. Alrighty, let's talk about, like we always do, who was here this weekend. We had a surprise this weekend.
Yes, we did.
And Tangi called us on Friday afternoon and was headed up, which is kind of unusual. And we all went out to dinner to Fernandez. Had a good time. It was
yes,
good dinner.
We did.
Really.
It was great dinner.
Stromboli. Had a hitman. They were really, really good. Enjoyed the evening with them there, and then they came back to the shop, and we hung out at the shop, what, 2-3 hours? And
yeah, at least.
Kind of talked, and really didn't talk about much of anything, but talked about everything. Had a great time. And then on Sunday, Daniel and the Butterbean come over. We had a good time with them, kind of hung out here at the shop, and then hung out over at the house. They was kind of early, though. They was kind of early to get back to the house, and we kind of got back to work. But it was a real good weekend. I really enjoyed it. It was kind of nice.
I sure did.
Alrighty. And Michael went down and seen Reebok too.
He did, yes he did. Those were great pictures, great fish.
Yeah. Alrighty, this week in the shop, what all happened? Well, I burned off a lot of these smaller logs out here, and logs that just really weren't good lumber quality. Burned a bunch of those off. I have, what, probably another 6 logs I got to get burned off here in the next couple of weeks. We're going to get that. What I'm working on is getting my log yard set up and getting everything, and then we'll work on the lumber yard. Really starting to get some pretty good hits on people wanting some lumber milled up for them, some folks at work and stuff. I think you said you ran into
I ran into one today that needed some lumber cut up, and he builds.
Yeah, so we're fixing to kind of get busy here on the sawmill and get a lot done. So looking forward to that. Maybe changing some of the saw blades, but we'll talk more about that later. We worked on this old vanity that we turned into 2 side tables. Now this is going to be a very, very interesting build when we get done. I think it's going to look really, really good. But we worked a little bit on this past week. Then we milled some pine for some wooden flags. You know, the wooden flags that we build. We built milled a bunch of that up. It's about, what, inch and 1/8 thick, and we took it down to 3/4 of an inch. We'd actually milled it for another purpose, but I think we used all the wood we needed for that, so we milled this now. Really come out to be some pretty wood.
Very nice. Yes, it is.
Really some nice
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, we did that yesterday right here on the floor while it was raining. And then I sawed a big old pine log that I had. Just sawed it into a 14-inch by 14-inch big old cant. That's going to be some pretty boards.
That's going to be nice.
Some pretty stuff. Really looking forward to getting back out here in the sawmill, starting to do some sawing. So having a good time with that. Alrighty, let's move on. Alright. That tea is so good, and when I put it in the freezer and it gets that little crusty ice over the top like that, it's wonderful. Projects completed this week. Now, Mama has really been busy. I mean, she's knocking out some really exciting projects. She finished that going away sign that we talked about last time when we said we post pictures of it. Well, we got to looking at it, and I thought there's just way too much personal information on that sign. We blurred it out. I took an edit and blurred it out, but then there was really nothing to see except for a picture frame and an outline wood burn of the state of Georgia.
State of Georgia.
So, yeah, if you want to look at the outline of the state of Georgia, just grab a map and take a look at it. But really wasn't much to show after we blurred everything out, but it was really a nice project for as quickly as we had to do it in a short turnaround time. I was really proud of it with the amount of time we had to put in it. Unfortunately, I can't show any pictures here. Maybe when you stop by the house, we'll show you some pictures, but I'm certainly not going to show it on an open venue like YouTube. We did some work with some blue and white. Well, they weren't blue and white. They used to be brown. These, what do you call those window things that you do? Just window message boards, mirrors? I don't know. They're really pretty.
They're old windows that you turn into useful items. They're not a window that's used as a window. They have mirrors on it where you can fix your hair, hang your hat, jewelry, whatever. Got cork board on one and wire on the other. Came out very pretty.
Mama made a blue one and a white one, and there's some pictures on the Lakewood 400 Antique Markets Facebook page. Go look at those. Those are really nice looking. Come out really good looking, I think. We're going to be taking those to the market when we go. Mama made a little picket fence shelf, and now it's kind of an odd looking thing. I can't really describe it, but it kind of looks like an old picket fence, and it's got a long picket, a medium picket, and then a baby picket. I think I'm going to post those probably tomorrow on the Lakewood 400 Antique Markets Facebook page. So take a look on that next day or two and see if you don't see it. You'll know what I'm talking about as soon as you see it. And then Mama finished a little metal mermaid sign that we got at an auction. It was kind of dinged up and not in the best shape. Mama cleaned it up, fixed it up, painted it. Got it really looking nice. I think I may post it when I post a picture of the picket fence thing so y'all can see those.
That'd
so
be
look for that next couple of days on Lakewood Market 400 Facebook page. I'll post it there. But really cute little items. And then Mama took this table over here that Michael, you want to get that for me? That Michael had made kind of as a demo table a while back. I don't think it's ever designed to be a real table. But Michael made this thing, and Mama took, and as you can see, Michael, she has taken and painted your legs black. Now these were white oak, and you don't normally think of doing that to white oak, but that's what we did because we just thought it would look good. And then she worked on that top, Michael, and that really come out looking good. I mean, that's really a nice looking table. We're going to take that, not so much for sale, but just kind of have, I think, to put stuff on. But Mama finished that. We're calling that a tea table. Mama finished this ladybug, and if she wants to, she can hand me the turtle, but she finished this ladybug doorstop and garden decoration, and then the turtle doorstop garden decoration. Now, I don't know what these really are, but like our good friend Wayne up at Sunset Auction says, you buy it, you can call it what you want. And that's the theory I think we're going to go with on that. But those are some of the projects we got. And she did a lot of other little things. What was else you did? The dent and ding things and stuff?
The dent and ding things that I wrapped up and processed and
a couple other little things. Yeah, there's a couple other little things that you had done. Alrighty, so kind of let's move on right now and talk about the shows and markets and shows. Alrighty, we're going to Lakewood 400 Antiques Market the Friday the 15th, Saturday 16th, and Sunday the 17th this week. I am excited about this.
I am extremely excited.
This is going to be a really good show. We're going to be in our new space, which is going to be 2 spaces. As you're coming up C Hall, and I know y'all don't know what I'm talking about, but go on their website, look at the layout of the building, and as you're coming up C Hall, me and Mama will be right there where you can see us from all the way back. It's really going to be a great spot. We're going to be right over next to our new friends that we made. I'm looking forward to that. It really is going to be an exciting time. Looking forward to that. We're leaving out Thursday
night. Yep, Thursday night. Always fun.
All right. Now, let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. We're going to paint some of these 4x4 firecrackers that Mama makes. And now I cut these up. Now this was, gosh, about 5 days ago now. This was just an old pine cant that I had cut up out there in the yard. So Mama's going to paint these up to look like firecrackers. Y'all have seen those before. Those did really well at an Augusta market a year ago, didn't they? We did really well with those.
We sold a bunch of them.
So we got like, how many, 19
red,
sets
white,
of that?
yeah, red, white, and blue, God Bless Americas, and all kinds of other stuff. Did you put candles in them?
We're going to make some of those wooden flag blanks. Now, I'm just going to make the blanks tonight. We may do some painting while we're up there. Mama may do some painting while we're up in the booth, kind of not only to get projects done, but to draw a little interest and get people something else to watch. But I'm going to start making those blanks, and by that I mean just the wooden sign part or the wooden flag part. Mama will paint those later. We're going to work on this vanity turn side tables. I'm really excited about this project. Now what we've got to do is we've got to work out the top and what we want to do for the top, and we haven't really decided on that. We thought about a metal top, and it didn't come out the way Mama had wanted it. We were looking at white oak, we're looking at red oak. We don't know what we're going to do right now, but these are going to be very interesting projects when we get done. I think we're going to sell them as a set, or we're going to keep them as a set, but it's really an interesting thing. Then we're going to clean and organize the show trailer. Now this really needs to be done before we go. There's not a lot of stuff like it normally is when we go to a show because we left most of our stuff there.
Yay!
So it's really good. But we do want to get it kind of neatened up. We got some stuff that's going in there, and we're going to take some wood this time. I think
yes, we are.
Slabs. We're going to get rid of some slabs of wood.
Bunch of stuff out of the shed.
But mostly, what are we going to do? We're going to get ready to go to the Market 400. We are looking forward to Lakewood Market 400.
We are.
Or Lakewood 400 Market this weekend. I'm excited about it.
See our friends, make some new friends.
Yep, there you go.
Yep. Stay out of the rain, hopefully.
Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything else?
Nothing I can think of.
That's it. Just excited, ready to go to Lakewood. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 11th of June, 2018. We gotta do it again. You're way too up. You're way off.
Did you see that about
I
Phil?
see you. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check.
Sound check.